Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can bookmark a website on Safari. So in order to bookmark a website on Safari, it's really easy. Just head over to the Safari app just like this, and once you've done that, simply click right here at the bottom of your screen at that share icon just like this. And once you've done that, once you're at this page, just scroll a little bit down until you find Add Bookmark. Then right here you can change your name, URL, and basically once you've done that, just click on Save right here. Now you have bookmarked, and now in order to actually find your bookmark, what you need to do is head over to this book icon at the bottom of your screen, and then right here, what you will most likely be at is right here. Just click on Favorites, and then right here you will find your bookmarks. So currently I've bookmarked Apple, Google, and 3 times Wikipedia. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to bookmark websites over on the Safari app. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.